Once upon a time, there lived a man named Ice Cream Denominator. During his period of recovery, he came to realize that he was in need of So ngayon mga tropa, maglalaro lang naman tayo ng work at pizza place. So bago tayo magsimula, ito pala ang ating mga gagawin. Ang maging cashier, ang maging cook, ang maging pizza boxer, ang maging delivery, and supplier. And being
So, unang-una, magiging cashier muna tayo, syempre. Lovely day, Elsa. What would you like? Yes, sir? Sir. Like, dito, mga suwi, pasok po kayo. Hello, Mama Diwan. Oh, shit. Mama Diwan, Ma! Sir, Mama, delete. Our pizza is gone to be delicious. Pasok ka na, boy. Ay, girl. Ito gusto mo? Okay, no problem. Here you go. Good job. Di mo ko asoy! Okay guys, I'm done of being a cashier. So now, tataas tayo ng rango. We will be a pizza boxer. So dito, madali lang gawin natin dito. Lagyan natin sa box. Kuha tayo nito. Hilayan, natin? Slice. And then, lagyan natin dito. So guys, napaka-easy talaga na ito. Ano? Guys, naubusan tayo ng stock. Ng box. Naubusan tayo ng box, bro. That means magiging... Kaya naman tayo magiging supplier, of course. Tignan mo naman sa sa work at pizza place, walang box. So ngayon maghahatid tayo ng box doon. We're using this truck to go mag-English. Okay, pasok natin dito. Pasok natin dito. Wala natin na box. Ay, hindi. Sa mga box. Madaming box. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's okay. So, 10 stacks of boxes. It's a lot of boxes, bro. A lot of boxes. 10 stock na yan. 10 stock of boxes. And we need some... Bro, that's my truck, bro! No, that's my truck. That's my truck, bro. Munti ka niya na-install yung truck ko. So, muna tayo sa amin. Hatin na. Ilagagi, sorry, boy. Bawa sa sweldo ko yun. Oh no, nabali yung kid. Hala! Yung mga box ko nahulog. Nice one! So, ito letter E. Ayan na nga! Ayan na, magkakastock na ng boxes. Being a good supplier, check!
To be Harrison bad, bro.
So now, we are moving to being a cook. So now we are cook, bro. This is the time. This is my prime. I'm a cook with my rhyme.
rappers 내면 우야 우야 이제 나 18 근데 벌써 입행은 우야 우야 Stop right there.
Why,
The
bro?
customers are waiting.
Nah!
dancing.
The customers can wait, man. My dance
I
is
said
taking a
stop.
break.
Get back here.
A delivery boy. Smash, sir. So ito natin na head to sa mga bye-bye. Matalo, syempre, delivery time na eh. Bilis, bilis. So, CP. Here, we go. Ooh. Oh, this is my own house, bro. What the fuck ordered this? This is my house, bro. This is my property. Hello? Who are you? Bro! Who is this guy? Bro, what? Now he gone. And now I'm unemployed again. No, I'm just on break. Never mind. Get back to work. I'll be again a delivery driver. Oh shit. Ooh, 257 coins. Oh, not bad. The C1. Okay, ma'am. Hello? Is the delivery? I'm so starving. I don't care, ma'am. I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Double time. Hello, mom. Oh, sir. This looks delicious. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. C3. My house again? What the heck? This double ganger is crazy, bro. This double ganger is hungry as shit. Alright. What the heck? Close the door, mate. Close the door. We need to upgrade our shack house into tiny. Whoa.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
So after a very long sweldo na tayo, boss. Sweldo na tayo.
I've double rappers 쌤이야 우야 이제 나 18 근데 벌써 200만 우야 I'm on the track feel like nobody I need some wine and a bit for the morning I don't go back so I guess a Bugatti You know what I do you're the 여기서 party 우야 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 맨샷 우야 노래하다 시계가 멈췄어 지금 몇 샷 우야 재미없어 전부 다 꺼져 이게 몇 샷